suspicious.
Let's see if Corban can find the letters. I mean the numbers, not the letters, but the numbers.
Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures.
Hi everybody, welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Right now he is making some slime, and today we're going to be doing the hide and seek number slime game. And if you want to know how we made the slime, it's just 3 ingredients. Just go to the description box and you will see our video about how we made some glow-in-the-dark slime. And again, it's just 3 ingredients, so it's very easy.
Yeah, just 3 ingredients.
Yes.
It's glue, contact solution, and baking soda.
Alright, glue, contact solution, and baking soda.
And we use glitter glue.
Yeah, we use glitter glue, but you can also use glow-in-the-dark glue.
Like we have over here. Glue.
Yeah, and you can also use the white glue, but you might just have to include some food coloring in it if you want some color. Alright, we will go to the next step.
Squish.
Alright, so Corban has made 4 different slimes here. He has, what colors do you have?
I have blue, with blue glow in the dark slime.
Okay, that's blue.
I have orange with white glue and orange food coloring. I have this one with
Is it glitter glue?
glitter glue.
I
have this one that I made the other day that you saw. I glued this one.
Okay.
So I didn't have to make this one.
Yes, that was the pink one that we made in our glow-in-the-dark slime video.
I know, it looks a little red to you guys.
Yeah. And then we have our numbers 0 through 9. And so we're going to play...
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast them!
All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to play hide and seek number slime.
And we did rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first, and I won.
Yeah, so we did rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. So Corban's going to go first because he won that. And so what's going to happen is one person is going to hide the numbers in the slime.
And I'm going to be the one who's going to hide the numbers in the slime.
And then the other person has to guess or has to find the slime or has to find the numbers within the slime. All right, Corban is going to hide the numbers in the slime, and I'm going to go in the other room so I don't see what he's doing. Go ahead. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. It's ready.
Okay. All right, Corban has hidden the numbers in the slime. Let me see if I can find. Let's see. Oh, I feel something here.
Mommy, you got it right.
Let's see. One and 8 here. All right, so now it's my turn to hide the numbers, and we'll see.
Mommy, since you're done, you failed the challenge.
How did I fail?
There was a 9 in there.
What? Oh no! There was a 9. Oh no, not a 9. It was a what? What is this?
It is a 0.
A 0. You thought you hit a 9?
Sorry, Mom, but you failed the challenge.
How did I fail the challenge? All right, so 0. All right, Corban.
You didn't get the challenge right. I had to tell you.
Yeah, you had to tell me. Okay, I didn't get that challenge right.
Woo!
All right.
I win!
Now it's Corban's turn. You ready?
I have 1 point and Mommy has 0.
Yes, Corban has 1 point and I have 0. All right, now I have to hide. Let's go. Okay, everybody, it's my turn to hide the numbers in the slime. So let's see. But Corban, he can't look, so I'm gonna hide it really well. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, that seems suspicious.
Let's see if Corban can find the letters. I mean the numbers, not the letters, but the numbers.
Is it a 1? This is the 1.
All right, put the numbers in order to make sure you have them all.
6. 4. 3. 2. I have 1 and 0. I got it right.
All right.
I have 2 points and Mommy has 0.
Okay. All right. Next round. All right. This round
we're going to so we're gonna hide the numbers and we're going to make a number of it. So, for example, if I had 9 and 8, I had to make a number. It was 98.
Yeah. So if he hides the 9 and the 8, he's gonna say, "Mommy, I need you to find 98." So I have to find 98. Okay.
Now I'm gonna hide it. Go.
All right. I'm gonna leave so Corbin can hide the number.
I'm gonna hide it. Ready? Try finding number 1,372.
Whoa! All right, so I have to find the number 1,300.
It'll be easy.
1,300 and what?
It'll be easy.
72? Okay, I have to find the number 1,372. All right, let's see if I can find it.
That was a 0.
Okay, well, this might be more than that number because I have
2 left. There's your 2.
Okay, so you said 1,372, but then you hit a 0. Why'd you hide the 0?
Because I wanted to.
Okay, so the 0 doesn't count.
10,000.
Oh, you want to do 10,000? 10,000 what?
10,372.
All right, so you guys can see it here. We got 10,372.
No, I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna bye-bye.
All right, so it's my turn to hide. Corbin has to go. All right, Corbin has to find 941.
What? 941! First line, succeed. Wait, I guess this is a 9. Is this a 9?
I don't know.
Yeah, you got right. I win. I have 3 points.
All right, you gotta put the number together, 941.
I have 9. See the number, guys?
Okay, and then put it this way so they can see it. Turn it that way. All right, so he found the 941. All right, now it's his turn to hide. So this is the last round, and this round is worth 3 points.
And if you win, you have 4 points.
Yes. So right now, Corbin has 3 points. I have 1 point. And so in this round, we're gonna each hide all the numbers in the slime. And the person who finds all the numbers in the slime and put them together in order will win the game. So we're gonna set the timer on the iPad here.
No, it's an iPad.
Yep, on the iPad.
Mommy's iPad.
So Corbin is gonna get started.
Oopsie, oopsie.
All right, let's see. So Corbin has hidden all the letters. I mean, not the letters, the numbers. I keep saying that. So now, I know. So now I'm going to try to find it. So I'm going to start the timer and try to find the numbers. Numbers.
Waste my time.
Where's 1? Where'd you hide 1?
It's 1 in, Mommy. 1 in. It's 1 in.
Oh, there's 1. I missed 1. So let's see. All right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right, 1 minute and 19 seconds. All right, so let's see if Corbin can beat that. All right, so it's my turn to hide the numbers. So I have to hide them really well. All right, all done. Now it's time for Corbin to come. All right, Corbin is back. He has to beat 1 minute and 19 seconds. So he's gonna start the timer. And remember, you gotta put the numbers in order.
Oh boy. Oh, down 0. 6.
Okay.
6.
One now. All right. So I won finally. Corbin always wins, but I won this time. So we hope you enjoyed it. This is a great game for number recognition, for making slime. There's science in here and place value. So like this video and please subscribe. Bye.
And here's your slime. Once you make it, you got to figure out what you do on the other side.
Bye.
See you in the next video. Bye.